Hey navigators, let's do a video about a natural resource that we all know and love, trees. I'm going to read a book called Save Paper, Save Trees by Nancy Jolson. Let's read to find out why can recycling save trees. This is a nonfiction book with 3 chapters, a glossary index, and comprehension check. Chapter 1, Using Paper. Many things we use every day are made of paper. Take a look around your classroom. You might see books on the shelves and posters on the walls. There is always writing paper and notebooks. People use lots of things made of paper at work too. What paper products do you use at home? Paper bags, napkins, and cereal boxes are all paper products. So are newspapers and magazines. Just think of all the paper you use every day. Chapter 2, Recycling Paper. There are easy things you can do to save a lot of trees. After you have used a paper product, don't throw it in the trash. Recycle it. When you recycle, you use old things to make new things. In some places, people put their paper in recycling bins. They keep the paper separate from the other trash. Workers collect the bins and take them away for recycling. This truck is picking up paper for recycling. These people are sorting paper and other items at a recycling center. In other places, people take their paper to a recycling center. At the recycling center, the paper goes into big bins. Many kinds of paper can be recycled. People put newspapers, cardboard, mail, and magazines into the recycling bins. What happens to the paper that is recycled? A lot of recycled paper is made into new paper. These pictures at a paper mill show how it is done. The old paper is chopped up into small pieces. The chopped paper is mixed with water and heated. It turns into a thick mush called pulp. The pulp is cleaned and the water is drained out. Big rollers flatten the pulp into thin sheets. The new paper is made from the thin sheets of pulp. The new paper comes out in huge rolls. Chapter 3, What can you do? Recycling paper is only one way to save trees. You can also help save trees by using less paper. At school, you can use both sides of a sheet of paper. You can also be careful not to waste paper. You can save paper at home too. Wipe up spills with a sponge instead of a paper towel. Switch from using paper napkins to cloth napkins. Try any of these ideas and you'll find that you will have less paper to put in the trash. Cloth towels and napkins can be used again and again. If you unwrap a gift carefully, you can use the paper again. You can find lots of ways to use paper more than one time. When you unwrap a gift, try to save the paper. You can use it again to wrap a gift for someone else. And don't forget that you can use the bows and ribbons again too. Some people bring bags from home when they shop. When you buy something new, you almost always get a bag. After you shop, save the bags. You can use them many times. Some people even buy cloth bags that can be used again and again. You can also make something new from the paper that you save. Use an ordinary shoebox to make an interesting diorama. Collect old newspapers and use them for an art project. The new things you make can be big or small, or even make people laugh. When you save paper, you save trees. This diorama and paper mache animal are both made from recycled paper products. Activity number 1. What are some things in your classroom that are made of paper? Write a list of them and draw little pictures. Activity number 2. Do you think it is good to recycle? Why or why not? Activity number 3. This book tells ways we can help save trees. What other things in nature should people help to save? Write about it. Activity number 4. Make a diorama or some other art project using recycled materials. See you later.